Hey 1208, just want to give you 3 ways in which you can get involved in the fight against racism here in Jackson. Number 1, there's a protest getting set up on West Washington Ave at 9 a.m. this Saturday, and it begins at 10. Now this is a protest, not a riot, okay? At least that is everything they aim for. If it turned into a riot, I of course would be out. But so long as it is a voice for the oppressed, I feel Jesus called me to it. As long as it stays pacifistic, I feel Jesus called me to it. I don't mind taking aggression on myself on behalf of Jesus, but I don't put aggression on others on behalf of Jesus. So, if you have similar convictions, consider joining me there around 10. We can meet up there. But following this is number 2, following this, there is a luncheon going on at Lilly Missionary Baptist Church. And they're looking to partner with other churches all around Jackson to make enough food for 1,000 people. So we wanted to throw our hats in and start making some food. We've been asked to try to make some spaghetti and cornbread, along with others who will be making that too. If you are interested in making spaghetti and cornbread, please communicate that to me ASAP. And then finally, next Thursday, June 11th, from 5 to 6 p.m. on the corner of West Ave and Wildwood, we will be taking part in a protest that Myisha, Pastor Myisha, has put on. She was the assistant pastor at 1208, and now she's the lead pastor over at Ravenbrook Recovery Church. We'll be joining her in a Prayerful Peaceful Protest as well. Now, I joined one of these protests on Monday, and it was great. It was nothing went wrong. I know there's always a lot of nerves when things like this are happening. And I would encourage us, so long as we can find these peaceful ways to engage our community, that now is a good time to do that. So let's lift our voice with those around us who ask us to do so, and reach our neighbors. All right, with that, love you, and see you soon.